Hi, everyone. Welcome. I'm stopping by to talk about religion. Doesn't it strike you as odd that there are thousands of different varieties of religion in the world? You figure there'd be one religion, one God, and uh, look, the whole Bible. I like to listen to Christian radio, and I listen lightly. It's background. But once in a while, somebody says something that I really see it. It's meaningful for me. And yesterday, uh, one of the preachers, I can't remember who it was, he said that that the whole Bible is revelation, God revealing things about Himself, His ways, the way He likes to do things, and His plan. It's all about Him. And so you could say that the whole universe, everything there is, reveals something about the Father and how He makes things and His ways. The universe is His creative genius. He made it. And all you have to do is look at anything and look at the intricacy of it, the physics of it, the math of it, the science of it, the beauty of it, and you know something about its creator.